Hello everyone, welcome back to Indian History by Dr. Veenus. Marxist Historiography. The time period was 1950s onwards and gained prominence after independence. Key concerns to analyze history through class conflict and economic structures. Major historians are D.D. Kosambi, R.S. Sharma, Irfan Habib, Romila Thapar and Bipin Chandra. Core arguments. First, history should be understood through material conditions and class relations, not just political events or great men. Second, Indian society had its own internal contradictions: feudalism, caste oppression, class exploitation, not just colonial oppression. Third, the nationalist movement wasn't just about patriotism but had class character. Different classes had different interests. Key contributions. D.D. Kosambi revolutionized ancient Indian history by applying historical materialism. He studied social and economic formations, not just dynasties. R.S. Sharma's work on ancient India examined the transition from tribal to state society. Irfan Habib analyzed agrarian relations in Mughal India, showing the complexity of pre-colonial economy. Marxist interpretation of 1857. Not just a feudal revolt, but a peasant uprising against economic exploitation. Marxist view of nationalism divided the movement into three phases. Phase 1, moderate elite politics. Phase 2, extremist phase with middle class radicalization. Phase 3, mass mobilization under Gandhi but with bourgeois leadership. Critical concerns. First, was sometimes reductionists, reducing everything to class, applied European models to feudalism to India, underestimated cultural and religious factors, was too deterministic about historical progression. Marxist historians emphasized scientific methodology, use of diverse sources including archaeological evidence, and focus on the common people. Remember the shift from political to social and economic history.